You know, when you think about all the great wonders in this world, you know, England has Stonehenge, well, Nebraska has Carhenge. Holy moly, these are real cars. It's so cool how these cars are literally emerging out of the ground. I like this one.
Whoa, the underbelly.
There are all kinds of cars.
What do you think this one is?
The formation roughly resembles Stonehenge. See, the cars are about the same size of the stones. Somebody took the time to put real cars in the place of stones. The thing is, when you rock up here, you gotta stop and think, why? Why would somebody build something like this? And the truth is, the guy who built this was a big fan of Stonehenge. He loved cars, and he was having a family reunion, and it was like, why not? Bada bing, bada boom, magic. This is definitely worth a stop.